Many people complain about pig farming, saying that their pigs grow very slowly and take a long time to show results. They end up spending a lot of money feeding and treating the pigs, only to realize they are not making a profit, because the pigs take too long to grow and provide good results. The advice I would like to give is that, if you decide to farm pigs, first think about your purpose. Why are you farming? And what are your goals? Then, look for a good breed. Avoid keeping traditional pigs. Instead, go for modern breeds like pure breeds or hybrids to get the best and fastest results, so you can make money and get a return on your investment plus profit. For example, the pigs we raise at Abjo Farm are pure breeds. Our main boar is a pure Duroc. It is currently 4 months old. If you compare him to local pigs of the same age, there is no comparison. A local pig of the same age would not match the size of our pigs. A local pig would have to be at least 7 months old to reach the size of our 4-month-old pigs. Therefore, it's crucial to understand the breed you are raising to get good and quick results, so you can take them to the market and run your business efficiently. Time is money. The longer you delay, the more money you lose. The faster you act, the more money you can make. The main advantage of these pigs is that when they reach 5 months, if they are males, they begin showing interest in mating. If there is a female in the pen, they might try to mate. Females, on the other hand, start going into heat at 5 months, indicating they are ready for mating and pregnancy. However, experts recommend allowing them to reach 6.5 to 7 months before mating, so that their reproductive systems fully develop, ensuring they can produce healthy litters. So, if you want to farm pigs, choose pure breeds or hybrids. They grow larger, providing more meat with less fat. These pigs can weigh up to 200 to 300 kilograms. Unlike local pigs that cannot reach such weights, we have these breeds available at Abjo Farm, and you are welcome to come. In 3 to 4 months, we will start selling pigs. For now, we are preparing the environment. You can find us at Mapinga or Kimia, near Kimia Resort. When you cross Bunju Bridge from the city towards Bagamoyo, take the road at Mingoy. Follow that road, and you will arrive at Kimia Resort. Once you reach Kimia Resort, you have arrived at the farm. Welcome to Abjo Farm.
Guys, what's up? Nimeharibia poa zenu. Ni vipi? Ni gani? Hey, what's up? Hey. Mambo ni gani? Hey, where you find water? Oh man. Hey, unakunywa mkojo wa mwenzio? You serious? What do you mean by the way? Kwanza Hey, what? Again? What's up? Huyu mama mweupe, huyu mama wake ni mkubwa. Mnosho kama kwenye hili banda anaweza kutosha. Kwenye hili banda hawezi kutosha. Ni mrefu kafu kajaza kweli. Ni kama basi na mwendo kasi. Wajua. What's up?